students, welcome to the class once again. In our previous lecture, students, we have discussed about multiples and common multiples. Now continuing forward with the second part of this, and that is factors. So today we are going to discuss about factors and the two methods of finding the factors. So basically we have two different methods for finding the factors of any number. The first method is called factor tree method and the second one is prime factorization method. So these are the two methods to find factors of any number. So let us see what is these two methods one by one. So as you can see here, I have taken a number 44, and if it is said that find the factors of this number, so you have to find the factor of this number. So today I am going to tell you very first the factors of 44 by prime factor means factor tree method, and also the factors of 44 by prime factorization method. So very first let us start with factor tree method. As the word itself is showing factor tree, that means you will get something like tree in this. So for that your solution will begin like this. Very first you will write the number 44 at the top, and then just find out from your own side that what are those two numbers. By multiplying those two we get 44. So yes, some of you will say that 2 into 22, or you may say that 4 into 11, because 11 fours is also 44. Both the ways it is correct. So what I am going to write, that 4 multiplied by 11 is 44. Clear, student? So you can write it like this, 4 multiplied by 11, and you can show it by the symbol of multiplication. So 4 11s are 44. You may also write it as 2 into 22, that is also again 44. So that is also a correct method. Now coming to the next part, and since we have divided, or you can say we have split this 44 into two parts, one is 4 and second is 44. So now just find out, do we have some more factors for 4? Yes, we can write this 4 as 2 multiplied by 2. Correct? 4 can also be written as 2 multiplied by 2. Can we write 11 also something in the shortest form? That means can we split 11 also into the smaller numbers? No. Why? Because 11 is a prime number. So it cannot be splitted into any two numbers. So that's all for the method here. Now if it is asked that what are the factors, since the question is to find the factors, so the factors are at the end. Now your solution is done and you will write the factors of 44 are. So what are the numbers at the bottom we are left with? We are left with 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 11. And when you will multiply these numbers, you will get your number itself. That means 2 2s are 4, 4 into 11, 44. So this is how you can use factor tree method to find the factors of any given number. Clear, student? Now let us solve the same number, or you can say let us find the factors of the same number by using prime factorization method. So for prime factorization method, we use this type of symbol. So this is actually our factor symbol. Whenever you have to find the prime factorization of factors of any number, we use this type of two perpendicular lines crossing each other like this, and then we write 44 at the top. Now since the method is prime factorization, so that means here you will only use prime numbers to divide the number given to you. You cannot use a composite number. What you are supposed to use is only a prime number. So which is the smallest prime number we have? It is 2. So is 44 divisible by 2? Answer is yes. So 2, and let's divide this number 44 by 2. You can also do it in your rough portion. 44 divided by 2. So that is 2 2s are 4. cross, then 4, 2 2s are 4. So what is your value? What is the quotient coming up after dividing 44 with 2? It is 22. That 22 you will write here. So it is basically 2 into 22 is equals to 44. Now the method is not yet done. Let us find any other number which is again dividing 22. So let's once again start with the smallest prime number. Let's start with 2. So is 22 divisible by 2? Answer is yes. 2 11s are 22. Done. Now let us find any other number. But before finding, just check out this number. What is this number? 11. Is 11 a composite number or prime number? Yes, 11 is a prime number. Since 11 is a prime number, that means this number 11 is only divisible by 11. So you can write it as 11 ones are 11. Complete. As we got 1 at the bottom, means at the last, that means our prime factorization method is complete. Your factorization is done. Now it is the solution of, that means to find the factors of 44, as we have to find the factors. So solution is still pending. So factors of 44 are, or you can say factors of 44 is equal to, multiply the numbers written on the left hand side here. So that is 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 11. 2 2s are 4, 4 11s are 44. So this is how you can find the factor of any number by using prime factorization method. As you can see in both the cases, whether you have solved the question by factor tree method or prime factorization method, answer is always same. Here also you are getting the factor as 2 into 2 into 11, and here also you are getting 2 into 2 into 11. So these are the two methods, students, to find the factors of any number. I hope this topic of finding the factors by factor tree method and prime factorization method is clear to all of you. Hope you have understood the concept very carefully. Please keep learning. Have a nice day, students.